Okay, it's been a little while since I did a video. I've been pretty busy this week, but we have managed to trade the DAX and the Hang Seng, which I'll try to get around to doing a video as well. It's been kind of a tough week to trade because we've done a lot of chopping around and stuff. I'll show an idea of my trades. So you can see the scattergram. There's our average for the week. It's been just really difficult to get into the market. Sort of changed a little bit. It's been difficult to get into the right trades short. Most of my trades have been catching the short covering long, which isn't always a good thing because you can get caught and get some slippage and stuff when it turns around on you. So if you look at the trades, we were down quite a bit for the week. Actually, it's been my worst week for quite a while. But we managed to get back. We're nearly scratch again for the week, so we spent a ton on commissions this week. And when you look at the summary, we've taken 28 trades. 60% of them have been profitable, but the only thing is I'm not getting any run out of them, and you can see that because my average trade's negative. And so I'm getting the first two contracts off, and maybe what I should start doing this week is just get my stop to break even quicker or something like that. I don't know. I don't like to give it some room to move, but it's not working this week. Yeah, you can see it's showing in the performance anyway. So that's what we're like. We'll do a little review of the. So that's today, Wednesday. That's Tuesday, and here's Monday. Monday was probably the worst day, I think. So yeah, it's pretty hard to tell by all this going on here, but yeah, we tried to go long here after we come back and touch the VWAP, boom, stopped out. We come back here, I think we'd actually gone short, and we just got caught in this mess here, stopped long, short. We finally got long, and no, we tried to fade this move here. Look, you can see we tried to fade this move here. We kept getting stopped out. Finally, we get into a move back down here. So obviously I work good with shorts, but longs aren't doing too good. Again, tried to go long here, stopped out. Yeah, just a real mess actually. I would go to a shorter tick chart, but I've been having data trouble as well with my CQG data. So, or actually, I think it's some Ninja historical data. I don't know which one it is, but I just can't seem to get the data loaded up properly. So anyway, that was Monday. Tuesday was a little bit better. I got into a few moves here and here, entry there. Got a bunch of stops here, got a few targets off there. There's an entry there, some target there. Stopped at a break even, so call it a day. And then today was a pretty good day actually. Yeah, I really like stretch this out so you can see it better. I'll try here. Okay. So yeah, I let it push down, and I was just hoping for like a hockey stick or something, but we didn't get that, and it sort of covered gradually up, and I really wasn't looking too bullish at all, to be honest. So we just waited until we sold off a bit more. I mean, I got short and took a few off, and then stopped it even, and then we got long, and we took a few off back up to the top here, and then we got short again and got a nice little run that time. Short again here, got a few off there, turned around, went long here, right, got a couple off stopped. Got long here, took 2 off, and then got stopped on the other 2, and then short here, got a couple off, stopped at even. Then we got long here, a couple here at the first standard deviation, and then I just got out recently here, and so after we had this pin bar here, and I said, oh, that's enough for tonight. But I think the best play really is to play these little channels down, whether it's a hockey stick or not, but and then try to either try to trade it back up to the VWAP, or wait for the kiss of the VWAP and then sell it down, because they've been some really nice, especially on the footsie, they've been some really nice plays as well. But you know, before the U.S. opens, and it's about to open here in an hour and a half or something, you know, we usually do get a bit of a short covering rally, because if the market's been down, then some people want to take their profits, right? So anyway, that's my theory. Tomorrow I won't be, probably won't be trading, because we've got to go to Shanghai. But anyway, I just thought I'd sort of catch up. It's been a pretty average week for me, but you know, we're about break even or so, and last week was just a stellar week, so can't complain about that. But we've got our little fear indicator here, and basically when the yen and the dollar start to turn into uptrends, and green's an uptrend, then we know, and the bonds are in an uptrend, we know we've got a bit of fear in the market. So, and they've just sort of changed their trends, and of course the Aussie's in a downtrend now, so and that's the I guess a version of the carry. So you know, we got a bit of fear in the market because our fear indicators are green, and our non-fear indicator is red. So we know that, you know, the market's kind of selling off, and finally the ES is sort of starting to catch up with the other markets too, I guess. So, but anyway, we don't care which way the market goes as long as there's some volatility. And if you look at our daily if you look at our volatility switches creeping up higher, we've got a momentum indicator on here, and you can see that our momentum's turned down as well, and we've just started to hit the top of this continuous VWAP here too, and this is we're targeting 9,000 or so for this next move on the DAX, and then we should have some support there, but maybe it'll take the rest of the week to get there, or maybe it won't, who knows. Anyway, as long as we still get opportunities, that's the main thing. I'll try to get around to doing an update on the Hang Seng. I've had a good week on the Hang Seng, which is made up. That's why I don't care too much about the DAX, is because I've had a good week on the, sorry, not the Hang Seng, the HHI. So I'll try to get around to doing an update on that. Maybe tomorrow when we come back from Shanghai or something. But anyway, good trading, and we'll talk soon. Cheers.